Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny apps to use the premium text message services in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on special access. Now in special access, scroll down and here click on use premium text message services. Now in use premium text message services, here it will show you the apps that support the premium text message services. So to allow or deny app, tap on the app, and if you want to allow the app, then select always allow, and if you want to deny the app to use premium text message service, then tap on the app and select ask or never allow. So that's how you can allow or deny apps to use premium text message service in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.